past. So unlike the poor mindset, wealthy mindset, we're living in the present. What we're gonna do right here, right now. We care less about the past. We care less about the future. How can we maximize the most? And that's why I really call the present is the gift back to you. So maximizing that, learning from your mistakes. That's really what the past is for. A lot of people confuse the time spectrum and they live in the past. You should be learning from the past. That's the only thing you do in the past. We don't care about planning. We don't care about living in the past. The only thing we do with the past is learn from the mistakes. Then helping others succeed. You know, teamwork makes the dream work. That's why me and Deshawn collaborate with a bunch of other members within NSBE. The moment that everyone can do their individual part, the greater their overall unity and output. You know, NSBE, we got community. Come on now, like it's on the slide. Engineering community, right? Doesn't complaining. Everybody and their mama can come up with a problem. Like I'm sick and tired of problems. When someone comes to me with a problem, I don't even want to hear it unless you come up with a solution behind it. So, all right, thank you for that problem. What are you gonna do about it now? You know, so I'm always solution oriented. What can I do to fix the problem is my focus. Doesn't complaining. I mean, we went over that component, learning constantly. I always say knowledge and network will expand your life and your opportunity. That's something you need to do every single day. Bad habits and taking action. You know, Deshawn touched on analysis paralysis. I'm always asking myself, NBS. That's NBS is what I tell my friends and family and stuff like that. And they like, NBS, no, we ain't talking about NBC. You know, we're talking about NBS. What is NBS? Next best solution. I know y'all thinking like, damn, what the hell is NBS? That's the new channel. That's the new channel that came out. NBS. I always, anytime, any situation, things go wrong, this happened, that happened, life happens, it's life. But what is the NBS? That's all I want to hear. Next best solution.